Hello everyone, I'm Zhan Sheng, and that is the introduction video of our module project, E-Diagnostics from the National University of Singapore. The first part is the market research part. We all hate waiting for too much time, right? But for public or private hospital, patients had to face the problem of long waiting times, which is the pain point of the patients. The long waiting time of patients cross the ways of the hospital configuration and resource, and therefore cannot maximize the use of this resource and configuration to help and serve the patients. The E-Diagnostics project has the disease prediction functions for patients based on their selected symptom. It can be solved both for medical institutions, for individual users, and the internet companies. For medical institutions, the E-Diagnostics system can be an assistant to help doctors know which symptom the patient has and get the disease prediction from the system. For individual users, the E-Diagnostics system is used to help them conduct self-tests of disease no matter where they are. For internet companies, the E-Diagnostics system can be sold to form an online consultants platform, which can combine real doctors in hospitals all over the world. The second part is the system design part. You can see the flow chart shows that our intelligent diagnosis system consists of selection page and a result page. On the selection page, users can select their symptoms from 6 main categories: internal, surgical, psychological, dermatological, eczema, and reproductive. After entering the symptom, the most possible disease will be matched and found, and then displayed to the user through the result page. Third part is the display. So let's begin with the dataset. We found the dataset which can tell us what symptoms will contribute to what kind of disease. So we use it to form our knowledge base so that we can get a prediction. Now we are using our command line to run the code. Wait for a second. Now we can copy the URL link into the Explorer. I'm using the Google Chrome. You can see that it works. That is our main page of the E-Diagnostics. What our project intends to do is to use Python language to create an intelligent diagnostic web system in order to let the patient know what disease they have by simply entering their symptoms into the system. You can see that there are 6 main symptoms categories in our web page: dermatological, internal, eczema, psychological, reproductive, surgical. So the next, let's to text the function with a bright example. As we all know, people who suffer from diabetes will have some symptoms like the obesity, weight loss, excessive hunger, irregular sugar level, broad and distorted vision. Now I'm trying to check them in our message board. I just need to choose some of them in our box. You see, I have S3. After we select the symptom, we just need to click the confirm button on the top in our web page. Then we go back to the main page. You see what we have chosen are recording in the message board. The last step is to click and confirm. Now we can predict the disease. The diabetes is predicted by our model successfully. This time I will try another example, the alcoholic hepatitis. In the real life, we all know if you tell the doctor more similar symptoms to describe the disease, the doctor can give you back a more accurate judgment. That is also our system intend to do. And this time I will do the same step. Choose the symptoms and confirm them in the main page. I still have one symptom that had not chosen, so just choose it and wait for the result. You see, it predicts the alcoholic hepatitis successfully. Yeah. The last part is our conclusion part. In this part, we have spent 10 more days on this project, and that is the first time we are going to apply the reasoning system into the intelligent medicine, and that is a very interesting part of our life. Maybe in the future we will have more time and more experience to make this system better.